We got this torque wrench whenever Harbor Freight had their torque wrenches on sale. It was $10, and I'm really excited because we never had a 3/8 torque wrench before, and this has a much bigger range. It goes from 5 to 80. So this has a pretty big range. It does a lot of things that really need it to do, and then when you're torquing lug nuts, then we'll use the 1/2-inch guide. So let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. And it's nice that it comes with this little case. We'll be able to put it back in here every time we are done using it. Here's our torque wrench. This is probably a certificate of calibration, yep. And then just probably instructions. We don't need that. Here's our torque wrench itself. And this looks real nice. I'm liking it. So right now it's set right there at 10 foot-pounds. That's where you always want to take it back to. Once you tighten it up, you never want to leave it tight. You don't want to take it all the way down. You want to take it right there to 10 foot-pounds. That's where it's set to, and that's where we want it to be. We're just going to double check the torque on the oil drain plug, make sure we have the correct torque on here. So what I'm going to do is just loosen this up a little bit, just so we can get the correct torque on it. So the manufacturer spec for the lug nut here is from 25 to 32. So I'm going to go ahead and take the torque wrench up to 25 and we'll try it there. So right there is 20, no, it's 20, 25 is right there is 25. Now we're going to go ahead and torque this up to 25 foot-pounds and see how it feels. There it is, and that is torqued. This 1/2-inch torque wrench we've been using for a long time, and before this we had one exactly like this. We had it for 25 years. One day we left it out in the rain, it rusted, it broke. We took it in and they gave us a brand new one for free because it has the lifetime warranty. We know airplane mechanics that have been using these Harbor Freight torque wrenches for a long time, and every time they send it in to get calibrated, it comes back just about perfect. It comes back better than the Snap-on, which is very impressive. I mean, $10 for this torque wrench, $10 for this torque wrench, that is a really good deal, especially when you compare it to any other tool brand. Now we're gonna take the torque wrench. I have it set right back here exactly to 10 foot-pounds, so the spring is not it's under tension, because if the spring stays under tension, the spring is gonna stretch and it's not gonna be as accurate. So it's always important that you bring your torque wrenches back down to 10. This one just needs to be brought right back down to 10 right there. And that's just gonna keep the spring under just enough tension where it's not gonna stretch it the wrong way. It's just in the perfect sweet spot for these torque wrenches.